She told me, sige, okay, we'll invite him. I'll invite him. But I don't want him to walk me down the aisle. Okay, I hope my daughter's not judged here. Okay, why? Because, ano ba ibig sabihin ng walking the bride down the aisle? It's a father who raised you, provided for you, nurtured you, was protected you, your safe space. You're handing over your daughter now, after raising her, to the man who is now gonna be in charge of her. So, why would he hand over Claudia? She doesn't even know anything about him. He doesn't even know anything about her. Ask him, where did she graduate? What was her course? Who are her friends? Do you even know that the friends in the wedding were her friends from childhood, from grade school? Do you even know where she's enrolled right now? That's how much he doesn't know about her. She didn't want him to walk her down the aisle. So tell him. Okay? And then I said, Pat, like I said, Dennis is explosive. He has a bad temper. Wala yang pakialam kung may ibang taong makakita. Pag gusto niyang sumabog, sasabog siya. Walang pakialam yan. I know him the most. I was with him for 14 years.